Hi, my name is Liam and I work for DRN as the Chief Unboxing Officer. Today I'll be talking about the Belkin SOUNDFORM Play wireless earbuds. Did you know that it has 8 hours of battery along with 30 hours stored in the case? 4 microphones for ultra clear calls, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So now I'm going to open it and not bore you with any more talk about its features, even though it is quite a great thing. I got it! I'm not used to using the knife because my hands aren't very strong. So as you can see here, it has a lock that I'm probably going to need to cut with the paper again. Anyway, alright, now I'm going to listen to YouTube videos of this as a test. So I will see you guys next time. Liam signing out.